We cannot manage always by logically thinking, giving reasons back to the mind. I hope all of you have observed. For the simple reason, 99% of us at 99% of the time know exactly what is right, but we are unable to do that also. That X factor is there. Many times it is there. Correct? So many times you want to say something, you wish to say something, but the situations around would not allow you. But inside, that sense of I'm unable to communicate is also there. So that's a software, correct? So mantra is that protective shield, like a firewall which is given to you, like an adware, like a malware, like an antivirus, given to debug, protect, and uproot the unnecessary things in your mind without your knowledge. Has any of us figured out how an antivirus works inside your computer? Do we know how a firewall works? If we buy a firewall, does it mean inside somebody gets into our CPU, lights or matchbox? Firewall is created like that. We have no idea how it works. There is a system of scientists who sit in the lab and they develop a particular code, correct? The code is similar to the code which a virus or an adware has, correct? And then this software, which is the antivirus or whatever we are using, protects, uproots and removes it or quarantines it. This word quarantine all of us know because it's already part of our antivirus terminology. Okay, so in the same way, in a similar language, some code is needed to defend us, correct? Our computers. So our mind is also like that. So these mantras are nothing but higher order vibrations or very potential sounds which can nullify, neutralize or pacify the day-to-day sounds which are happening inside us, which come in the way of our efficiency and effectiveness in the day-to-day life by constantly bugging us. You are too good, or you are good for nothing, or you should have done it. Too many judgments because we are all very intellect oriented, right? So we many times know we could have done it, we cannot do it. It is okay because nobody teaches us in school, college, or even at home to say this simple word. It's okay. Only a friend tells you that, correct? What is wrong in telling at some time it's okay? World has not fallen down. Whether you fail or succeed, world is going to move on. This is all common sense and logic, correct? The great JRD Tata passed away. It doesn't mean Tata Group shut down. India's first president passed away. It doesn't mean the country stopped. The great APJ Abdul Kalam passed away. Nothing stopped, correct? We also have to move on one day. Nothing is going to stop. Sometimes I feel we think too much of ourselves. We are creating a difference. This kind of pep talks given by our boss at office and people at home makes us feel we are very, very important. We are important, but everything has a time, understand? Only in that time we have to also take importance, correct? And then you have to let go. So the simple word of it is okay. We are not trained to either hear or tell anybody. So what is happening? It is giving you a lot of stress to all of us. And we are not saying this word, it's okay out of laziness. After we tried our best, we can tell it's okay, I tried. Nothing earth shattering is going to happen. Correct? You are not a dynamite to shatter earth also. You are a simple speck, innocuous dry leaf lying on earth, according to me. There is no life. Because if you dry yourself with such thoughts, you will have no life in us. So mantra helps us to not get into such kind of a low in our inner life, so that our external life also becomes much better. It protects us from not getting into a depressed state. If we get into a depressed state, it will say it's okay, I have a log to float on. I have a life jacket to float on. Even in the aircraft, in such a high, they are giving you life jacket and all that stuff. All you need is to listen to the hostess and learn how to wear it. So the tradition is giving you the life jacket called mantra. All you need to do is, you can even have preference here. There generally it's an orange color jacket, right? But generally in life you have a preference. Sometimes you go to the teacher will say, it's okay, you do this mantra, that. There's a variety of mantras available to you. Correct? So choose one life jacket, one parachute, which will help us to sail through everything, good, bad, ugly, everything. All these three are dangerous in the inner journey. Okay, nothing will help us to progress. Adjectives are by nature dangerous. They generally give us a high or a low. Is it okay? So mantra is that kind of an umbrella, a life jacket, which is going to protect us. Why? Go back. The example of an antivirus countered by another software program, which is similar code, right? Like that, our thoughts are there, a similar sound is of the same language or a superior stuff comes to us through mantra. So this has to be understood without any doubts.